I'm not injured. I'm hurt. It's different.
Why don't y'all go get warmed up?
The warm up is mad pause worthy. That's all I'm going to say.
There you go. Put your back into it. Ew.
Pause.
You could do it. Put your back
Yo,
into it.
don't come in here saying that while I'm trying to get my cervical spine stretched out.
Kay the one that be using her neck a lot, not me.
All the years of this, my whole lower lumbar fucked up.
Yeah, it's all bad down there. But it's all good, you feel me? It's all good.
For this adjustment today, we're not going to use the ladder. We're not going to use any tools. We're just going to, you know, keep it ready for the camera.
Ooh.
Oh my god, man. Hurt that. Oh my goodness.
Ooh. Oh.